Okay, so today's question is keep multiplying found values by 2. So you are given an array of integer nums. You are also given an integer original, which is the first number that needs to be searched for in nums. You then do the following steps. First, if original is found in nums, multiply it by 2. That is, set original is equals to 2 into original. Otherwise, stop the process. Okay. Repeat this process with the new number as long as you keep finding the number and return the final value of original. Okay. So according to the question, what the question is saying that we have given an array and an integer original. Okay. An array and an integer. Okay. Now, first step, okay, in the first step, we have to do the following steps, okay. And in the first step, if the original is found in the nums, okay, basically we have to first find whether original is there in the nums or not. If it is, okay, if it is found in nums, then we have to multiply it by 2, and again we have to find the original. Basically, after finding the original in nums, first we have to multiply the original with 2, and then the new original is the previous original multiplied by 2, and now we have to find this new original. Okay, and we have to repeat this process until we don't find the original. Basically, if let's suppose initially, okay, understand with this example. Okay, see, initially original is 3, and we have given an array of this 5, 3, 6, 1, and 12, right? So initially, in first step, we will find 3 in nums, and after doing this, we got that 3 is found in this array, right? Now, if the 3 is found, we will multiply 3 with 2, and our new original integer will be 6. Now, we will repeat the process and find this 6 in the array, and we will find it because 6 is present in the array, right? So yes, 6 is also present in the array. That's why our new original integer will be 6 multiplied by 2, which will be 12. Now we will find 12 in the array, and the 12 is also present in array. So we will multiply this 12 by 2, and we will get 24. Now 24 is not in this array, right? So we will return this 24. Okay. So we have to stop at that point, uh, at which the integer is not found in the array. Okay, so let's solve this question. Now see what we'll do. First of all, I will make a another set, and why I am making the another set, because to reduce the time complexity of finding whether the original is present in the array or not. Because if I find the original in this array, I will be I will be done by it having a time complexity of big of n. But if I insert all the elements of nums in a set, and then I find the original in the set, then the complexity will be reduced to O of 1, because we are uh, making an another set. Okay, so I will write unordered set. Uh, okay, there is an underscore here, not hyphen. Okay, so I'm uh, naming it as S. Now we'll write for auto el elements in nums. Okay, S dot insert this num. Okay, this el. Okay, now first of all, I will see the constraint that the original is less than 1000 and the nums of I is also less than 1000, right? So we can take int as our initial original. Okay, so initially it is original, so I will write while. Okay, I will simply write while s dot count. Okay, s dot count original means this loop will run till, okay, this loop will run until the original is not found in the set, another set, right? So while basically this loop will run always if this condition is true. And when this condition will be true, when the original will be found in this set, right? So I will write here one, and what if we have to do if this is found, sorry, simply we have to write original. Let's copy this directly. Original is equals to, so multiply is equals to original, okay? And simply we will return this original. Why I'm returning this original out outside this loop? Because if I am outside the loop, it means that now original is not found in this set. And if the process has stopped, basically if original is not found in this nums, then we have to simply return this original. Okay, so I will run this code and let's see what happens. Okay, one of the test cases. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, there is a mistake. Okay, we have to multiply the original with 2, not with original. Sorry. Okay, yeah. See. Okay, so the question is done. And if you if you are having any doubt and or any suggestions for me, then please do comment in this video. Write your suggestions, write your doubts in this comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do consider it subscribing. And the reason behind I'm uh, asking you guys to subscribe because I want a minimum of 50 subscribers to do live stream in my channel. And by live streaming, I want to talk to you guys. That's the reason I'm asking you to subscribe the channel. Okay, so thank you.